Welcome back to Kiss Electrical. I've got another little small video I wanted to show with you on the rough end pre-slab pour of the conduit that we laid in there. It didn't take us very long, probably about 30 minutes. We just measured off of the blueprints, used the legend so we know where it was at. This right here is a kitchen wall behind the stove. According to the prints, we staked it off with 1/2 inch EMT and baling wire. Then we have, it's 1-inch conduit, and then this comes up in the island in the kitchen. And then we have a floor box in the living room, and this is supposed to be like where the couch is. It's a circular floor box, and we staked off with kind of like extra mesh, or you can use tent anchors. And we just put some 3/4 PVC in it under this mesh, and then took it over to an exterior wall so it wouldn't be in a doorway or something. And then when they get through framing it, it will be, we'll just cut the pipe off and run some UF into both of these. And just wanted y'all to see it before the concrete pour. Y'all have a good day, and thanks for watching.